Okay, hello everyone, and as you can see on my table is the big thing, the old Dewalt radio, and the problem with this one is just not working, and it's no matter it's on a cord or on the battery, it's still nothing is working on it. So first thing, I think I will try to check the fuse here. Okay, the fuse is good. So just closing it for now. And that means we need to get to the radio back somehow. We have antenna here and now it's a little bit messing with me around. Okay, I can see some screws here and basically I think I need to get to the front of it. We have some screws here, we have only the battery here. Okay, we have all the protective case, I think, here. The first thing I will try to remove the antenna. Yep, got it. Now I bet I will be still needed to remove this frame. Okay, rubber just fell out, and yeah, I think I will unscrew this one and open it like that. Possibly. Okay. Okay, now I will try to go for the screws here. Okay, can I get to open it now? I think no. And I will try to go for the buffer screws, I think. And yeah, of course, a lot of dust here, but nothing that can help me to open it. And yeah, I think I will take out this Okay, what we have here? We have a couple screws. Okay, it seems that now we can lift the front of the radio. And okay, we have some dust. I think the transformer. Here goes our power cord. Yeah. We have the power cord, we have the fuse here, so I will try checking the fuse. Okay, the fuse is good. So now it will be good to inspect the power cord. This bad boy. It pretty looks like some kind of transformer here. And, okay, so I've got some zip teeth. What we have here. Okay. So now we have our wires going to the, I think it's a power supply. And definitely this one is outgoing, so I need to check it. Okay, I'll open it. Okay. What we have here, we have a lot of dust, and cannot see the visual damage. It's a ME filter. Okay. Capacitor. It's a fuse here. We have the fuse. Okay. Can see for the screw here. It's glued up. why they are doing everything so complicated. I want to take this out. Because if I have the it's a capacitor, this one looks like a fuse, so we need to check it. This white thing. Okay, the fuse here is good. So now we know that it's not working, not because of the fuse is blown up. And okay, so it not works from the battery, so basically it must be something here going on. Okay, getting this one out. There we have transformers, capacitors, and relays. And of course, have the transformer. Yep. Okay, now I will check the cord itself. Of course, I think it's good, but still I need to check it. Good. Okay, it's good. So now we know that that our cord is good. This, okay, it's a 1.6 amps, 250 volts, and yeah, it's our fuse. Fuse here. Yep. We have caps and so on, so we need to check. We have the switch here. Basically, we can check if we have the continuity here. And now we don't have continuity. Okay, I'm checking the wrong cable working. And okay, after for some testing and coffee and then testing, I have tried the one thing. It's wires. They are going from the potentiometer here. It's a turn on and off button and sound button. So, and this one releases the negative to the controller, and as you can see now, it's nothing happens. And when I touch them, it's on. We can hear that the radio is on, and okay, so I not touch it good. Yeah, the radio now is on and it's working, and the sound is working. So basically, I think we have the problem with the on-off switch. So I need to disassemble it here and check it. Yeah, same is with plug it in. Okay, so now I need to get to the switch here. And what we have here, we have a couple screws here. Have the screw here, here, and probably here. Okay. Need to find a way to remove the knob. Okay, you just lift up. I think I need to remove it with all the antenna. Okay, removing the LCD, and still have the plastic here, and have the screw for the antenna here. Just what the fuck. Okay, we'll try to unscrew the controller. I don't know how I will assemble it all back. Basically I can see the micro switch, but I can't access it now. Yeah. Okay, I don't know how, but I have removed it, and since that I have not breaking it, of course we have a lot of dust here, but we will deal with the dust later. Now I need to unscrew the screws here and take the potentiometer with the switch out. Check what can we do about this problem. Okay, and basically what can we do is nothing really special. We can just, I think, get the new potentiometer. So I will try to disconnect it. Okay, not so easy. Okay, so yeah, I think I will solder this out. So okay, basically it started to move, but one of the legs seems to be holding everything. Okay, got it out, and we'll go to the shop to try to find it. Yeah, you can see the micro switch here. It's not working. Okay, here I hope that everything here is good. So I just need to find the replacement part for this one. Okay, I'm getting back with the replacement part for this radio after, I don't know, maybe 1.5 months. Okay, I need to get it soldered here. I need to hold it somehow. Okay, maybe that will be good. Cannot see good because of the flux. I will clean it and then I will be able to see if I made a good connection or not. And I see that I need to fix the connection here. Okay, what we have, not nicest soldering, but we have it, we have made it. Okay, I hope that it will work now. Okay, if I could remember, this switch was here like that, and it was tightened with the 3 small screws. And I need to find them. Okay, have tightened the screws here, and the one screw fall out. Okay, now as it was here, I need to get it inside. And I think I have bended this a little bit, and then take it all the unit out. Okay, it seems that I got it inside. Okay, I need to figure out how that. Yeah, it was tightened here and here. Definitely. And seems to be tightened here. And over there. Oh, there, deep inside. Seems that I have not got the balls in the right place. Here you have tightened this part. Now I need to get the screws in here to hold the plastic piece. I hope I'm not missing anything here, because I don't want to disassemble it for the second time. Okay, we have the box that needed to be closed here, and 2 screws for it. No, seems that I need some more screws here. Okay, now I think I will put the buttons. Here, this one go here. Just trying to get it fit. And the second one. Okay, looks that they are fit now. I think I will try to close the cover here with a big hope that I will not find some missing screws or something. Okay, can I close it now? Yep, closes. So now I think what I want to do, I want to test it. I will use the adapter. Yeah, it can work. It should downs. Let me check if you can see it on the camera. You can see the digits shows up. The sound is, I will not play the music, because previously time when I have tested the radio and played the music got a copyright strike for the video. Okay, what we have here, this one just goes like that. This is for the batteries. Okay, this for the antenna I think, and now I need to put the screws here. Here, here I need a longer screws, I think. Yeah, here goes the longer screws. And okay, we have almost assembled it. Now I need to consider the cleaning of this radio, and it's a real dusty, so I need to clean it. And of course I need to clean this woofer somehow. I don't know, with a brush maybe. Why this detailing brush? Yeah. And honestly, this one is really dirty, so it will be a really hard mission to clean it out. Basically, it's even not worth it, I think, because it's an old and cheap radio. But of course, we want to remove the dust as much as we can here. So okay, have brushed this with the simple brush, and now we need to check how this one must be here. Okay, I have the one cover. It's of course dirty. I have tried to wash it with the water. I had no luck, so I don't know. I will consider later if I need to clean this one or not, or just give it away like that, because honestly it will be a big pain in the ass to clean it. And the radio really not worth it. Okay, Okay, we have front cover here installed, and yeah, this one, the screw was damaged, I think, or missing. We have big screws here. I will tighten them. Okay, the rubbers are here. Now, of course, we have the rim. If I could remember, it was some screws missing for the rim. Okay, it goes like that. Basically, it must go like that. Okay, I will tighten it on the back firstly. Yeah. And the second part of the rim. And it's, I think it's a 6mm screws here. Okay, seems that I got it here. The 2 screws missing here. Okay, it was nuts and okay, I have 2 nuts. Here one can be fitted, but the head not fit. You cannot manage to find the screws like this in my garage. Of course, we'll find it in the shop. Now I will mount the antenna. Okay, so antenna is mounted. The radio now can be considered as fixed, and yep, it's now it's really good, and I don't like it. Of course, I will find this screw, I will tighten this one, and it will be nicer, but still dirty. And please let me know in the comments, do you want me to see cleaning this one, making to try to look as new? For now, thank you for watching. That was the easy repair with a very long lasting working hours because of the many of the parts. For now, just thank you for watching and waiting you in the comment section. Bye.